I had an email exchange over the last couple of days with a fellow ham who's got a RigExpert antenna analyzer like this one here and was having a little bit of difficulty understanding how to use the storage features, the load and save buttons in particular. So this short video just shows how to use that. Alright, here's an example of saving some data. So let me switch bands. Let's go to the 6 meter band. So I'll hit F0. And then hit OK to sweep that 6 meter band. So there's the Smith chart on the 6 meter band. And if I select the SWR chart, or the return loss chart, or the real and imaginary part chart, I can cycle through any of those. And then I hit save. Let's go down and save that here into slot number 3. I'll hit OK. And let's go back and change that to, we said that was 6 meters, so let's do 6 and call that 6M and hit enter. So now that's saved as 6M. Let's change bands. Let's go to the 10 meter band, so I'll go to 9 and then hit OK to sweep that band. So there's the 10 meter band, and again if I go to SWR, return loss, RNX, or back to Smith, that's all from that 10 meter sweep. We'll save that. Let's go down to slot number 4, hit OK, and let's change that to say 10 and call that 10M and hit OK. Alright, so again there's the 10 meter data, the polar plot or the Smith chart, SWR, return loss, and real and imaginary components. Okay, if we go back to load and tell it I want to load the 6 meter one, hit OK. Now there's our 6 meter plot again. There's the SWR plot, return loss plot, and the impedance plot. Okay, all from that. I can be on any one of these and then load. If I go back to the 10 meter selection, now there's the data from the 10 meter sweep, and that's the SWR, return loss, RNX, and the sweep. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and now you know how to use the save and load features in your RigExpert antenna analyzer. Thanks again for watching.